I ordered the ChadMade Pinch Pleated Curtains from Amazon. This is the navy blue curtain. I got the 84-inch wide by the 84-inch long curtain. It's being sold for $70.99, and shipping is supposed to take from 3 to 5 weeks. When I got it, I believe it took less than 3 weeks. This is a blackout curtain for a patio door. Here's the clips that came with it. It's a count of 16 total. Adjustable drapery pin hooks that are 3 3/8 inches. Here's the curtain tie back with the snaps. The curtain is said to be polyester and a polyester blend, and the fabric on the front and back are the same. Helps by blocking out light, outside noise, and insulates for heat and cold. I bought this to put on this existing curtain rod here. It has an existing set of slidable eye holes that we can attach our hooks to. I got the curtain opened all the way up so I can start inserting all the plastic hooks. All these hooks slide in quite easily. And just find the hole and slide the hook in. So I'm going to quickly speed through putting all 16 hooks into this curtain. Overall, it's relatively quick and easy to put all these hooks into the curtain. Here's a look at the curtain with all the hooks inserted into it. Going to get the first hook in there, hook the curtain on. I have around 32 holes to go into, so I'm going to go into every other hole. Just as easy as it was to put the hooks into the curtain, it's very easy to hook into the eye holes that are already on the curtain rod that I have hanging up here. Here's a close-up of putting the plastic hook into the plastic hole on the curtain rod. I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of these hooks into the rest of these plastic holes. Finally, I'm going to hook into the sliding piece and call it a day. The curtain is all hung up, so let's try it out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.